in the middle of a rain, and it's pouring really hard out here. Listen to that thunder. Courage is escorting people to their rooms because the rain is so heavy.
Our dinner plans might change.
No, we're still having dinner under that thing over there. That's where we eat dinner. And this is our room right here. The power has just gone out. And
is everybody in?
I don't know yet.
Is everybody in?
It's really pouring out here.
It feels so good out here now. I'm going to put my chair on my porch and just...
It's still really hot out here. And it's like, it's really humid. I'm out here in like a tank top. Here comes Allison! How does it feel, Allison? Whoa! That's what's up. That's a thunderstorm. Did you hear that thunder? Did you see that lightning? It is crazy out here. Here comes Josie.
Go slow, go slow.
Slow!
My shoes are all slippery.
That's Courage. He's the hero.
I wish I had those right now.
We need to see another huge lightning bolt. The storm is very close.
The water on you didn't service.
Where's the boom? The sky is just lighting up with lightning. This is truly inspirational.